Oh, look at he's sucking.
You didn't get my hair in your mouth, did you? That would suck. Don't suck on the hair. That's not good.
He's making little noises.
There's the hiccups. Get that air out of there, kid.
Oh.
I don't know. Hiccups suck, don't they?
Can you pat his back, maybe? Does that help, or is that for burping?
I don't think you should pat backs for...
He needs to drink a big glass of water.
James, do you want a big glass of water? Get over the hiccups. You're not looking good on camera like this. You're live to the world, kid. Well, not live, but...
Oh.
I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the director and...
Okay, we'll come back if and when the hiccups stop here.